ChatGPT Secrets to YouTube Mastery. Not what you think. Hello, YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, the ultimate destination for cutting-edge tips and strategies in the world of digital marketing. Today, I've got something truly special in store for you, something that's going to revolutionize the way you approach YouTube and take your channel to new heights. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button below. Your support means the world to me, and it keeps the channel alive and thriving. Now, I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer because what I'm about to share with you today is a game changer. We're delving into the secrets of mastering YouTube with ChatGPT, and trust me, it's not what you think. But why should you stick around until the end? Well, because down in the description box, I've lined up some absolute goldmines of resources that can supercharge your marketing efforts. These tools and strategies have the potential to skyrocket your online presence. But wait, there's more. If you decide to sign up for any of the resources linked below, give them a whirl, and find them as invaluable as I do, I urge you to consider upgrading to a paid subscription. It's an investment that can truly transform your business. So, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and let's embark on this journey to YouTube mastery together. Alright, folks, let's get into the nitty-gritty of ChatGPT secrets for YouTube mastery. You see, YouTube is an ever-evolving platform, and to stay ahead of the game, you need to harness the power of artificial intelligence, and ChatGPT is here to help you do just that. 1. Optimizing video titles and descriptions. First things first, the title and description of your video are like the cover of a book. Make them catchy, relevant, and packed with keywords to ensure your content gets found. 2. Engagement is key. Ever heard of the YouTube algorithm? Well, it's a beast, and it thrives on engagement. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. It tells YouTube that your content is worth promoting. 3. Video transcript SEO. Use ChatGPT to create accurate video transcripts. Not only does this make your content accessible, but it also gives you more keyword opportunities for SEO. 4. Thumbnail magic. Your thumbnail is your first impression. Design eye-catching thumbnails that intrigue viewers and compel them to click on your video. 5. Viewer retention. Keep your audience glued to the screen. ChatGPT can help you script engaging content that holds viewers' attention. 6. YouTube Shorts. Take advantage of the Shorts feature. Short, snappy videos can quickly gain traction, especially with ChatGPT's content suggestions. 7. Analytics Insights. Dive into YouTube Analytics with ChatGPT. It can help you decipher data and make informed decisions to improve your content strategy. 8. Consistency is king. Keep a consistent posting schedule. ChatGPT can help you plan and schedule your content, ensuring you never miss a beat. 9. Engage with your audience. ChatGPT can help you craft personalized responses to comments on your videos. Building a strong rapport with your audience encourages loyalty and repeat views. 10. Trends and topics. Stay up to date with the latest trends and hot topics in your niche. ChatGPT can scour the internet for trending keywords and help you create content that's both relevant and timely. 11. Monetization strategies. Are you here to make money? Well, YouTube offers numerous monetization options. ChatGPT can assist you in exploring the right revenue streams, from AdSense to affiliate marketing and sponsored content. 12. A/B testing. Ever wondered which thumbnail or video title works best? ChatGPT can help you set up A/B tests to figure out what resonates most with your audience, ultimately boosting your click-through rates and views. So, there you have it, folks. 12 incredible secrets to YouTube mastery with ChatGPT. Remember, the description box below is loaded with resources and links to help you implement these strategies effectively. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insider tips, and access those resources. Your journey to YouTube stardom begins right now. Alright, my fellow digital dynamos, we've just scratched the surface of the incredible potential that ChatGPT and YouTube hold for your online journey. But we're not done yet. Before we wrap things up, I need you to do me a favor. If you found this video valuable and are ready to take your online game to the next level, make sure to give that thumbs up button some love and hit that subscribe button. By doing so, you're not only showing support for the channel but also ensuring you never miss out on the latest and greatest strategies. But here's the real game changer, folks. Down in the description box, you'll find a treasure trove of advanced training, tools, websites, and services that can supercharge your online business, digital marketing, SEO, blogging, e-commerce, or affiliate marketing journey. Don't wait, take action today. Whether you're just starting, scaling up, or looking to master the art of online business, these resources are your golden ticket. Now, if you're as hungry for knowledge as I am, make sure to follow me on my social media accounts, all linked in the description below. There, you'll dive even deeper into the world of digital marketing and online business with advanced strategies that can truly propel you to success. And here's your chance to pay it forward. Hit that share button and spread the wisdom to your followers and friends on your social media platforms. Let's create a community of digital entrepreneurs hungry for success. Lastly, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your opinions, suggestions, questions, or inquiries. Your feedback drives the content on this channel. But before you go, check out the video that's popped up on your screen. It's packed with even more insights to fuel your success. Click on it, and let the learning continue. Thank you for being a part of our incredible community. Remember, the path to online mastery starts with a single click. Take action today, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep conquering the digital world. Don't forget to check the links in the description below this video in order to supercharge and turbocharge your business. Take action now. Check the description below. Bye for now.